Assalamualaikum, madam. Next question, we have a E and Z system. So, first thing first, for the E and Z system, we must determine the higher priority group. So, in this question, we can see the bromine. We have 35 in periodic table, 35, and fluoro we have 9, chlorine we have 17, oxygen we have 8, the priority group, and CH3 we have 6 and 1. So we get the 15 in this side. So we draw the line like this. Okay, next we see if the opposite we call the E, and if a same side we call the Z. Okay, so if we can see the bromine and fluoro, the winner is the bromine, 35. So we circle here. And the chlorine and oxygen, the winner is chlorine, is 70 and 50. So 17. So it's the same side. We call it the Z system. So the answer is Z. So next question, we have Br here, which is atomic number is 35. So in this side we have the CH3. So this auto win in this side. On this side we have CH2, CH2, CH3, and CH2, CH2, CH3, and this area win is this side, and this we call the opposite. So the answer is E.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Karonisa. I will explain about the question number 3. There might be a situation where two or more atoms connected to the double bond are identical, and it is not possible to assign the priorities right away. For example, let's consider the following alkene. On carbon 1, the chlorine is the first priority since it has a higher atomic number than carbon. However, there are two carbon atoms connected to carbon number 2, and the priority cannot be determined solely based on the atomic number. So this is the priority 1, the priority 2. What do we do? Just like in the RNS configuration, when there is a tie, we need to look at the atoms connected to the ones being compared. The carbon on the top, isopropyl group, is connected to two carbons and 1 hydrogen. The carbon on the bottom, ethyl group, is connected to a carbon and 2 hydrogens. Therefore, isopropyl gets the higher priority. So, we have the two higher priority groups, Cl and isopropyl, on opposite sides of the double bond, as one is pointing down and the other one is pointing up. This arrangement makes an E alkene.
First, draw the line in the middle. So See in the right side is hydrogen, and the bottom one also hydrogen, and then also hydrogen, but and the bottom is chlorine. Chlorine in atomic number is 70, and the hydrogen is 6 plus 2. So chlorine the higher priority. And the left side is propyl, have a 3 carbon, and the isobutyl have 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon. So the answer is the isomer, because the same side. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Siti Maria binti Abdullah. For this question is, in the CH3 group, the atoms attached to the carbon are HHH. In the CH3-CH2 group, the atoms attached directly to the carbon of the CH2 group are CHH. Then here in this side, in the CH2OH group, the atom attached directly to the carbon are OHH. Here, in the CHO group, the atoms attached directly to the carbon are OOH. Remember that the oxygen is count twice because of the carbon-oxygen double bond. Here, the isomer is therefore a Z form, because the two higher priority groups, which is the CH3-CH2 group and the CHO group, are both in the same side of the bond. That's how a fairly long-winded explanation, just to make clear how it works. With a bit of practice, it takes few seconds to work out in any but the most complex cases. Thank you.